In this video, I'm going to show you how to import and export keyboard shortcuts in and out of Revit. So this is a good thing to know. Say you're switching from 2019 software to 2020 or whatever the latest software happens to be. You can you can export your old keyboard shortcuts that you're accustomed to and import them into the new software. This is also useful. Say you have a person at your company who helps create these shortcuts for you and make sure the shortcuts are consistent across the board. They might give you a file and you need to know how to import it in. The process is pretty simple. If you go to the View tab and you go to the user interface on the right, there is a button in the drop down that is keyboard shortcuts. You can click on that and it brings up the shortcut menu. The other way you can do it is you can use the keyboard shortcut for keyboard shortcuts, KS, and it pops up. Now down here on the bottom you've got two options. You can either import a file, somebody gives you their file, or you're looking for your old one. You hit import and what it asks you to find is the XML file, Revit keyboard shortcut files, XML. And say you save this on your desktop or it's in a central network location. In this case, ours is located at a central location. Keyboard shortcuts. I'm gonna go here. This is the latest and greatest. I'm gonna hit open, and it might ask you, well, what do we do if something matches or there's something that's different? I'm just gonna overwrite my keyboard shortcuts, and basically it's gonna give me a clean slate and just import the new stuff. Export kind of works the same way. As you hit that and it kicks out a file. This is good to know if somebody says, hey, I like the keyboard shortcuts that you have, let me in on the action. You can hit export and it's gonna ask you to save an XML file somewhere. I'm just gonna save over what we have, hit save, yes, and I'm good.